Want to add a mind-bending twist to your videos that will leave your viewers in awe? Today, we're diving into CapCut to unlock the power of reversing your video clips. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, open up CapCut and import the video clip you want to reverse once your clip is on the timeline. It's time to work some magic. We're going to tap on that clip to select it. You'll see a bunch of editing options pop up at the bottom of your screen. Look for the speed option in the toolbar. Go ahead and give that a tap now. You'll see two main choices, normal and curve. We're interested in the normal speed settings for this trick. Within the normal speed menu, you'll spot a button that says reverse. This is our golden ticket. Simply tap that reverse button. CapCut will instantly begin processing your clip to flip its playback direction. You'll notice that your video is now playing from end to beginning. It's that simple. You can do this for short clips, long sequences, or even just a small portion of your footage to create all sorts of cool and unexpected effects. Experiment with reversing action shots for a dramatic slow-motion rewind, or try it on speeches for a humorous, garbled effect. The possibilities are endless for adding that unique creative flair to your content and truly captivating your audience. So go ahead, tap that reverse button, and start transforming your ordinary videos into extraordinary cinematic masterpieces with CapCut.